Forget about Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. LinkedIn is the biggest B2B social media network today. We'll learn how to get the most out of it. We'll start off by talking through the best practices to improve your LinkedIn page and boost that brand visibility. Let's jump right in. Hey, you don't know me, I'm Zach, where every week we talk solutions that can help you build that legacy brand beyond the game. Brand visibility refers to the proportion of exposure a brand enjoys in relation to its competitors and its industry. Brand visibility is the metric that measures quite literally how visible a brand is to target customers, and that's why you have to focus on how and where you measure it. And that's important to say because brand visibility is something you should calculate on a per channel basis. In this case, we'll focus on how to improve LinkedIn to boost brand visibility. First, you want to complete your page. LinkedIn says pages with complete information get 30% more weekly views. Here's what you'll need to fill out. Profile picture. Add your profile picture and a cover image that best fits your brand. In a competitive market, you must leave a great first impression on potential customers, employers, and people you want to do business with. Focus on close up, look at the camera, smile, natural backgrounds, and dress appropriately. Avoid selfies, wearing sunglasses, and uploading pictures you took on holidays. It's a good time to show some business awareness and be professional. Make sure you edit it and customize it attractively. Use online tools such as Canva, SquareFit, or photofeeler.com. These tools will allow you to rate your profile picture based on likability, influence, and competence. Your headline. This is so important. You want to be concise when writing your headline. No more than about 120 characters. Keep it real. It needs to match your proposition and avoid writing a salesy headline. Highlight your current role and key skills. Use your headline to tell people what you do and are good at. A great place for your value proposition. Add at least one keyword, including relevant keywords can help you appear in search results for those terms. Write an eye-popping hook, something people can relate to, a good conversation starter. Let's see my example. You have my name, CEO and branding expert at Creative, and part of our goals. On a path to help 1,000 athletic and sports-driven brands find their why through brand identity and digital experiences. Mission and vision statement. Write a good mission statement about you and your company in the description. This is going to help make a great first impression. Lead with relevant terms and phrases that describe your brand's mission and purpose. Remember, LinkedIn users can search by keywords. So if you craft a strategic overview of your website, leads will come and connect with your brand. Additional takeaway, your logo. Showcase your personal or company logo in your cover as a plus. In a competitive market, you must stand out from your competition, and a good brand may be that difference between you and others. You must first develop that brand identity to grasp who you are and your mission and core values. After this process, you can build the assets. If you haven't watched our videos about how to create a proper brand logo, I'll leave that link up to the right. You can do so if you're just starting out through Canva, and you don't necessarily need to spend thousands on it right now. Join the conversation. According to LinkedIn, companies that post weekly see 2x lift in engagement with their content. What's the best way to engage with your audience? First, you must know your communicational strengths and weaknesses before choosing how to spread your brand messaging. For instance, if you post videos or images, ensure you can keep up with traffic and interactions. Make sure you reply to your connections so they identify with your brand as a good listener and you're willing to answer any query they have. On the other hand, if you have difficulty replying to people's comments, you may find it to be better to do live videos. We like to share 6 ways to connect with your customers and leads on LinkedIn. Write posts periodically. Make sure you follow these tips. Create eye-catching hook. This is a rule since you want to attract more attention. Use user-friendly formatting. Watch your spelling. I always recommend using Grammarly for this. Be concise and use to-the-point styles when expressing your thoughts to your connections. Separate paragraphs and make them look good. Be personable, honest, and authentic. Talk about experiences and have you been through in the past, and be vulnerable. On LinkedIn, videos get 5x more engagement. Live videos get 24x more, and neither has been so complicated. You can visit LinkedIn's Help Center for specs to start with regular videos. Once you've mastered that, you can apply for access to LinkedIn Live. Videos are key to developing a successful brand. Remember what Peter Field, a worldwide branding specialist, said: "Nothing builds a brand like emotion, and nothing drives emotions like video." Documents, one of my favorite. Similar to carousels, you can upload documents such as PDFs or PowerPoints to showcase what makes your brand unique. According to LinkedIn, customer leads respond best to behind-the-scenes stories, highlighting your unique culture and values. Continue to give kudos. That's what this whole platform is about. Kudos is a tool you can use in many different ways. From branding standpoint, you can spotlight employees to humanize your brand. Make sure you recognize important team moments or celebrate your employees with personalized shout-outs from your page. Surveys are great. On LinkedIn, surveys come in as the #2 highest in engagement. Make sure you utilize them to boost engagement with your connections and build product validation with your audience. That way, you can understand your audience firsthand. Are they satisfied with your offer? Surveys will help you reveal that information. Please tell me in the comments, have you ever used LinkedIn surveys? How has that experience been for you and why? Growing your followers and audience. Growing your audience. LinkedIn developers have seen that once pages gain 150 followers, their opportunity for growth becomes exponential. Right now, I'm going to give you an additional 3 tips to help you grow that audience. Invite people to follow you. LinkedIn allows you to invite your first-degree profile connections to follow your page to grow your community. Make sure to empower employees to help your brand grow by allowing them to invite their connections to follow your organization's page as well. Respond as your page. Grow your reach by responding to posts as your page. You can comment, react, or share any post in your feed from the perspective of your brand, exposing your name to a wider relevant audience. And those are some of the best ways to improve your LinkedIn page and boost your brand visibility. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I have one additional takeaway for those who watch through this video until the end. If you have a website, you can add a LinkedIn button to drive relevant followers to your LinkedIn page. Just make sure you put it towards the bottom of your website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you tackle that like button, tackle that subscribe button, and tackle that notification bell. Really all helps out the channel. Now, this is Zach with Creatitive, where we help you build those legacy brands beyond the game.